I'm in Motel 6. You interrupt me while I'm making a video! Okay, bye.
Okay, class. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make eggs. Like scrambled eggs, though, like my way, like the way I like them. You're going to need 6 eggs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you're gonna need one of these things. I don't know what it's called. You're gonna put that down. And that's that. I like pepper. God, thank God I smashed the eggs by doing that. And I like this one. I don't know the difference between that one and this one. Now this is dangerous, so make sure you be careful. There we go. Okay, this isn't as cool as I thought it'd be. This because I feel like it's way too much. I don't like a lot of it.
What needs to happen is these. We don't want to break our window. That out of the way. Just set it behind, right there. Doesn't have to be on the pillows because you're gonna have to move it here. Standing up, so I can see the top. Oh, I didn't know. Okay, now the one you're standing on, sit next to it on top here. Yep. Now. Okay. Do you see any more of those right here? Now take a break for a minute, just catch your breath. I'm gonna write this stuff down that we just moved, so I know how much money I have. Okay, look, this is gonna move, that's gonna move, but we can wait a minute until.
I like to put a weenie in there. Next, I want my finger a little bit. See if it's hot enough, and it is.
Put that in your wallet, son. Okay, look.
Hi, can I get 2 mediums? Hand toss? We're at the motel.
Is it gonna be cash or credit?
Cash.
Alrighty, we'll see you then.
Thanks. Okay, so I'm in my hotel room right now. You know, I got a really badass backdrop though. See that? See that right there? That's Texas. One of my favorite state. One of my favorite states. I'm just like, I've been editing all day. Last night I got like 2 hours of sleep. The night before that I got like an hour of sleep. I've just been editing all night. During the day I'm working. So yeah. By now Victor's already told you guys that we're doing the double vlog thing. So he should be in this vlog too. It's weird. I'm trying to think in the future and the past, and it's all like But yeah, so he's in California, I'm in Texas, and we like doing content together. And James too. James is gonna be in his videos because it's just good content with them. Like, they're my best friends. I don't want to just do videos by myself. It's kind of boring. I don't have much content. I'm just working, and I barely get to vlog at all. By the end, I'm just doing this so the end of the month I can get more camera gear for this YouTube thing. So yeah, Victor and them should be putting out the interesting stuff. I'll just be giving you guys the updates on like what's going down, what's happening, what's gonna be coming to this channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Getting some pizza. I feel like a little snack. Dad's not here right now, but he'll be back later to eat pizza. So
7, I think.
I'm thinking about getting a new camera.
With this camera,
This camera's pretty cool.
So useful, so convenient.
And I'm gonna buy a camera by now. Victor's supposed to already have told you this. I'm supposed to buy Victor a camera, or I'm supposed to buy another camera for me, for like so I can build my like, you know, my stuff up. But he's gonna be using the camera so we can have like double vlogs and to have good quality. So Victor's gonna have his camera. I think I'm gonna get him another one of these, which is you probably just don't know anything about cameras, but this is a Canon M50. Victor, I might give Victor a Canon M50, or I might get him an SL2, which is kind of like a Canon M50. It's just like, it's an older model. It's not as small. It's kind of bigger, which might fit in people's hands better because my hands are kind of a little bit too big for this. It feels weird when I hold it. But then I also want to buy another camera for me, which is a good camera. But I want another camera that's a little bit bigger, battery life way better, because this battery only lasts 2 hours while recording. I also want a camera that I can depend on. In the LA video, we would have so much more footage. I could have made that a 2-part thing, and it would have been pretty entertaining. But the camera battery died, and there's nowhere to charge anything in LA. It's like bum-proof. There's nowhere you can charge your stuff. So I only got to charge my camera once or twice, and barely got any footage in a 3-day weekend. So if I get that camera, that battery lasts all day long. Not all day long, but it would last like 7 hours or something like that. This lasts 2. So if I would have charged that twice, I could have got the whole LA footage for the 3 days. I only recorded like 1 or 2 days. I could have got more. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get another camera, but I'm only making I'm making $5,000 this summer, I think, around there. Then $1,000 of it I get to spend. The other $4,000 I gotta save. So I got $1,000 and I got $200 extra from my own savings. I need to buy Victor's camera. That, I don't know how much that is. It's probably better, more expensive. So we'll just see how this goes. If this goes well, I'll get 2 cameras and some other stuff. If it's okay, then I'll get Victor a camera, and I'll get like a couple other things for me that I need. I'll get like a lens strap, a backpack, extra stuff that I don't really need, but they'd be nice to have. Like, I don't think you guys want to hear me talking the whole time, so.
I like them like that. It's embarrassing. This is my first time actually trying this. I've never cut it like this.
Your boy just got some pizza. Heck yeah. Hello? Yes.
Hello?
Yes. This is Microsoft. You have virus on your computer, so you give me your social security number and we will be on our way, yes?
You have the wrong number.
You have a virus on your computer and you need it to be fixed.
I don't have a social security. I'm sorry, bye.
Can I have your banking information and we will be on our way? Okay. What an evil person. I don't like her. She watches these videos. Well, now she's gonna have to live with the virus, and her computer's probably gonna shut down because she didn't want help from the Microsoft guy who knows what he's talking about.
It can record 4K up to 24 frames per second.
I'm still watching camera videos. It's been about an hour or 2. I don't got much in my bag. All I brought to Texas, all I brought for the whole summer was a backpack. All I got are my clothes. Got the drone, haven't used it yet. Don't know why I brought it. Never use it. A couple SD cards here. I haven't had to use those either. Alright, peace. Victor, it's your time to shine.
Can't forget the weenie. Yes, I did wash the dishes afterwards. You're going to need 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These things.